I am Jennifer Engel and I own Wood and Word Blooms. I am a wood flower florist, I am an educator, I am like your crafty best friend, all wrapped into one. Just like a regular fresh flower florist, I create arrangements for your wedding, for your events, for gifts. But instead of doing it with fresh flowers, I do it with Sola wood flowers, which are created from the root of the cassava plant, shaved into thin pieces, and then crafted into flowers. And so I get to paint them and arrange with them, but they don't die and they don't need watering. So the flowers are created out of the Sola wood, and so this is its natural ivory color. There's a lot of freedom because they can be painted any color at all. So if you want, you get to really truly create almost anything. I got into Sola wood flowers when I was getting married myself, and I was searching like every bride on Pinterest and Google looking for inspiration and ideas in the colors that I thought I wanted, and it popped up something on Etsy and I thought, ooh, that's really pretty, and it turned out to be wood flowers, and that was the first time I'd ever seen them in my entire life. These flowers are really for anybody who cherishes things. If you want to be able to have a keepsake from your wedding, if you want to be able to give somebody a gift that's not going to die in a few days, these are just truly keepsake flowers. And because they can be so personalized, somebody can get the exact flowers they want and the colors they love, and it really can just become something that you use year after year in your home. Even if it was like a Christmas item, they're completely storable, so you could take them out every year and have that beautiful centerpiece on your table. I think there's nothing as beautiful as a fresh flower, but they only last a few days, maybe a week if you're lucky. So with the wood flowers, you're able to have a flower that looks like it's blooming year after year. And I think one of the best parts about them is that they're super eco-friendly. They're not gonna hurt the environment, nor will they hurt your cat or you if you eat them. I just don't think they would taste very good. If a bride chooses to DIY her wedding with me, it is a really fun experience that gets the entire family involved. So everyone from your bridesmaids, your moms, your aunts, your grandma, even your neighbor if she wants to, everybody can really be a part of making your wedding something special. And not just the girls, like the guys get to make their boutonnieres if they want to, or they can make the corsage for their mom. Really, everybody can be involved. While I make your flowers with love, there's nothing like the people who really love and know you making your flowers for you. And so if you are interested in working with me for your wedding or your event, you can submit an inquiry on my website. And from there, I contact you back and we start chatting just about your flower visions and all the things that you really want, so I can help come up with a design and make the process really easy and stress-free for you.